Hello and welcome to RepairDesk. This video will be taking you on a tour of our premises, where you'll find the RepairDesk team working to create the best repair POS software in the world. Let us walk you through where we spend most of our days, usually having a great time. Here we are at Jeff Heights Plaza, smack in the middle of central Gulberg, Lahore, and up the stairs to the right, you'll find our designated RepairDesk elevator that takes us straight to the top floor into our main office. The typical day begins with the elevator doors opening to our reception area where you log into work, hopefully on time. This also happens to be the only place where outsiders are allowed without any official notice required. Once you make your way past the doors, if you turn towards the right, you'll find our conference room, where you most likely had your assessment. Right beyond it is the open space for our design team, and one half of the RepairDesk 2.0 team. And if you manage to get past them without being distracted, you'll find the ladies' lounge, where the RepairDesk girls come to relax, unwind, and bond with each other. Let's check out the rest of the office now. Here, you'll see the executive rooms for the Chief Operating Officer and Chief Technology Officer. Although the chances of finding the CTO here instead of with his developers is a once-in-a-lifetime possibility. Next to them, we have the Human Resources team, filled with some of the jolliest people if you've arrived on time. And in this room, we have our design head, always working hard to ensure our software looks sharp and cool. Moving past that, we arrive at the Skype rooms, where you can take all your online client meetings and a chill area while you wait your turn. The best addition, however, is the relax area right opposite them, where you can stretch your legs, relax for a bit, and even offer prayers, because some meetings leave you needing a time out. And of course, we can't forget the hidden nook that is our HR head's office. And if you can't tell, with the EPOS system that is always here, this is our EPOS team. Beyond them are two of our mixed brand tables. Here, you can find developers, business analysts, quality assurance, product owners, and even some corporate partnership executives. We like to keep things interesting like that. Now here, toiling away at the back of the room, is the other half of the RepairDesk 2.0 team, the developers, and the project lead. And separated by the rest, for very good reason, are the proactive marketplace and app store teams, who work hard but play harder. Now, let's move on past the lockers and the girls' bathroom and get to the favorite place for most individuals here, the cafeteria. Here, you can grab your daily caffeine fix, unwind with arcade games, grab a snack. That's it for this side of the office, but the ride isn't over yet. let's continue to explore more of RepairDesk. Moving out, with our in-house gymnasium, we can build ourselves up more than just professionally. Complete with exercise equipment and a personal trainer, you'll be in perfect shape. We also have some shower rooms for when you want to refresh after a hard day's work. The gym is the midway point between our two offices, and now it's time to move on to the second one. Here, you can scan your fingerprint to unlock the door, where you'll find the RepairDesk Classic team to your right. The QA testers, business analysts, and developers all work together to ceaselessly maintain our brand of excellence. And no doubt, where there is brilliance, you can also find our CEO not far from it. That's why his office is right next to theirs. Following that is the finance office, where the finance team spends the day crunching out numbers for all our favorite activities. And when that gets too much, there is a relaxing area right in the middle to de-stress. We also have a small conference room for those slightly close-knit meetings. As we keep walking, you'll see the new office's bathrooms, lockers, and a small kitchen for those quick caffeine fixes. Next to those, you can find the corporate partnerships and marketing leads office, with a prayer room attached. And from the prayer room, we'll go right into the marketing department room. Here, you have the SEO, content, and design teams, always bringing their creativity out in unexpected ways. And that's our tour. We hope you enjoyed your time getting to know RepairDesk. Thanks for popping in. Have a great one, and we hope to see you soon.